Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po ania Fire Brigade Shillong. Regat bat ka Fitorium. Kadukan ki tiar kilan met ka babhatam. Hakador ka babin.
Kajinyalang jongka kenhun menteri ke Sarkar Jela Kabalalong haka arfun riu tarik ubnai rempang arajar arfuwe kalashim ya karai ban penhiarno ya kador jongka khajna lani ka value added tax balashim nakakiat. Katkum kajingya thu jong usumbot menteri rangba ka Jela uba Preston Tensong habaya keren bat kilat pathai kubor kajing penhiarno ya kajing shim khajna nakakiat na barok kawe ka Jela kanlong laipunyo 0.1% naka 0.4%. Ulaya tu ru baka jingdu nong jongka Sarkar haka shisnem nakaba penhiarno ya kador jongka khajna kan long kumba prapo haduk prapusan klor tengka.
Let me just tell you, again from ERTS department, one agenda was there. So the proposal was about reduction of VAT relating to different brand of liquors and wines in the entire state. So ultimately we decided to reduce the VAT from 40% to 37.5%. From 40% to 37.5% on liquor. Okay, on liquor. And then number two, I think you must be remembering in the year 2020, I think in the month of May, we raised the lifting charge from 2 rupees to 25%. So now again, that 25% is reverted back to 2 rupees as previously done prior to May 2020. So these are the decision we taken today, and then the loss of revenue annually on this reduction will be around 12 into 7, around 85 crores annually. It will be around 85 crores. I think you know, people should understand one thing. Right now we are living in a competitive world. When we are in a competitive world, be it the state, one state government and another state government. Right now I'm telling you, in the last budget session of Assam, they reduced it drastically, where ultimately the price of liquor has come down drastically in Assam, and the cost of difference is not less than 10 rupees, 20 rupees, 50 rupees. So ultimately we are bound to reduce it, because if we don't reduce, then the turnover will be drastically reduced. So therefore, as I said to you, since we are in the field of competition, ultimately we are bound to reduce the cost, the taxes on liquor. That's what we calculated well. Ultimately, we came down to 37.5%.